ABML Morning Update. Stocks climb as Trump floats timeline for US to end attacks on Iran, even as US troops arrive in region. Global markets. Stocks rose Wednesday as easing US-Iran tensions and falling oil prices boosted sentiment. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 224.23 points, plus 0.48% to 46,565.74, while the S&P 500 rose 0.72% to 6,575.32, and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 1.16% to 21,840.95. Donald Trump said Iran has sought a ceasefire, but the US will consider it only if the Strait of Hormuz is secure, adding troops could leave in 2 to 3 weeks. Oil prices declined, with West Texas Intermediate falling 1.24% to $100.12 per barrel, and Brent crude dropping 2.7% to $101.16 per barrel. Markets rallied earlier on optimism of a near-term resolution, with investors pricing in a possible de-escalation within weeks. Comments from Masoud Pezeshkian about ending the war with conditions further supported sentiment. However, analysts warn volatility may persist in the short term without a all-clear announcement. The Stoxx Europe 600 rose 2.1%, with major regional bourses trading higher. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on April 1st. At close, the Sensex was up 1.65% at 73,134, and Nifty was up 1.56% at 22,679. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 408 points at 22,442, signaling a negative start to the trading session. India's net goods and services tax GST collections rose to 1.78 lakh crore rupees in March 2026, reflecting an 8.2% increase over the previous month, while gross GST revenue touched 2 lakh crore rupees, marking an 8.8% year-on-year growth, indicating steady momentum in tax collections. The rise was supported by strong import activity and improved compliance levels, even as export refunds moderated during the month, but remained healthy on an annual basis. Total refunds stood at 0.22 lakh crore rupees, registering a 13.8% year-on-year increase, which adjusted the gross collections to the reported net figure. Domestic GST revenue contributed 1.46 lakh crore rupees, growing 5.9%, while revenues from imports surged 17.8% to 0.54 lakh crore rupees, highlighting robust external trade activity. Post-settlement trends across states remained mixed, with industrially advanced states showing stronger growth compared to others. Overall, GST collections continue to demonstrate stable growth supported by domestic consumption, import momentum, and compliance improvements, although regional disparities persist. Focus for the day: India PMI. US Trump speaks. US trade balance. Key corporate development/policy actions. Adani Green Energy Limited added over 5 gigawatts of capacity in FY 2025-26, taking its total to 19.3 gigawatts. This is the largest greenfield annual expansion globally outside China, driven mainly by its Khavda, Gujarat project. Prestige Estates project has secured a prime land parcel in Sector 92 Gurugram and entered into a joint development agreement (JDA) for a 17.212-acre land parcel. The proposed development is expected to have a saleable area of approximately 3 million square feet, with an estimated gross development value (GDV) of around 4,200 crore rupees. Lupin subsidiary Nanomi BV, Netherlands, has entered into definitive agreements to acquire a 43.38% stake in Multicare Pharmaceuticals Philippines Inc., MPPI, a subsidiary of Nanomi, for $39.6 million. The transaction is expected to be completed by May 2026. BLS International plans to invest 2,500 crore rupees over 3 to 4 years to expand into new markets, strengthen technology, and pursue acquisitions. It aims to double its revenue by 2030 with a major focus on acquisitions to scale operations and diversify services. Interglobe Aviation has revised fuel charges on domestic and international routes for all new bookings effective April 2nd. The domestic fuel surcharge has been revised to a range of 275 rupees to 950 rupees based on distance slabs, while international routes have seen steeper hikes. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 83.31 billion rupees, while DII bought for 71.71 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.